Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to face the legend English clubs all-star. I've played against them before, but this time I'll take them on again for content purpose. For this match I'll be using a 3-4-3 formation, 3 defenders, 4 midfielders and 3 forwards with a quick counter-attack playstyle. Alright, let's start the match. My players are in pretty good condition here, and there they are, the legendary players of the club's all-star team. I've heard that although their players' ratings are below 100, their gameplay is much harder if we compare to previous events. Let's dive right into the match. That's the first goal, a brilliant finish by Mbappé. Look at that amazing shot by Heung-Min. The score is now tied at 1-1. What a powerful and precise strike from David Villa. The score is now 2-1. Let's hope we can extend our lead even in future. And there it is, our third goal. A beautiful finish from David Villa again. The score is now 3-1. Absolutely stunning from Roberto Carlos. Just look at that incredible precise shot. Oh no, that was my mistake. A bit low pass right there. That's the end of the first half, and the current score is 4-2. I'll keep pushing forward in the second half, so stay tuned. What a great play by the opponent.
The attendance for this match was 71,649.
Oh my god, such incredible gameplay. Look at that, guys. Their play style is simply amazing. The score is now tied at 4-4.
After 65 minutes is number 9, Erling Haaland. Substitution.
There it is, a fantastic shot from the outside the box. We are now in the lead by 1 point.
After 72 minutes is number 7. Substitution in progress. Number 15, number 9, Mbappé. Coming on the field, number 23, Neymar. Number 20, Del Piero. Six added minutes has been indicated.
And that's it, my match against the legend English clubs all-star. This team is not joke, they're incredibly strong. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next video.